what's also for the main shader is important. You see they have such linings inside, and this is a sketch filter where I put in over there, and you have some options in this sketch filter also. You can change that thing. So for normal, the lines are in one direction only, and when you turn it in high positions and you look now, they are crossed. Not everywhere, but most is crossed, and this you can changing, and the frequency, how near are the lines together comes, and you see also they have an animation inside these lines. They swapped sometime a little bit. They move sometimes a little bit, not sometimes they move. And the waving, the moving, how is the direction of the move? How much is the waving? And when you now animate this waving, you have a nice animation, a stronger animation of it, of all these lines. You see, like a zebra or something like that, it moves. Okay, then what is also important is I putting some effects inside just for the main shader in the front for the Mondrian symmetric picture, and you can find this here. It's written on by Mondrian Effect Bank. You put it off, and the first it's something like a mirroring system, and you can mix that by the original. You see, you can mixing in that like an overlay, and when we putting very strong the mirroring and you shift the mirror, then you get to this. And now you can also animate that by a timeline. You can also do that by sound, by external FFT or composition FFT, where you get in the sound. You know that system by yourself. I use always timeline to show that very fast that you can see. You can change also the speed here. Stop that somewhere. And you can also put it in an envelope. Something like that. Yes, this is that effect for mirroring. Then you have a flip effect, where it's in the middle is in the diagonal line is flipped, symmetric flip, and you can also rotate a little bit this symmetric line shaping. Here you can see. Also here you can make a little bit an animation with that, or you can put the migration. Okay, then when I turn it up, the next The next effect is the Repgato. I called him Repgato, and you see you have a lot of little repetitions. They repeat a lot of them again. So they don't have options, this effect, and also don't have options, this effect. But you can use it together with another effects, with this also the other ones you can use together with other effects. So it gives some snare inside, but also a little bit of plasticity effect, 3D elements, a little bit. Is a bit abstract. Okay, so these are the effects for the foreground. Now we go to the background, and I will show you. You can change the tempi of it. We make it a little bit slower, and we change the stand of the rounding direction, the fraction a little bit changing, and we have also an effect bank for that backgrounds only. So you can do it kaleidoscoping things, but it's mixed about patterns uh, and tiles, and you can then play around by this the symmetric of it, and you see this option here, the rookie I call to them, and then you have a Suki option where it's also very funny. All these things you can put it as external music input, or you can take a beat inside also, maybe, if you like. If you have some beat, there it's incoming. We go back to the basic, so that's it stands, and back to normal. So this is that effect, the tilcalite I called them, and we have a quasar effect. There you have two steps in the quasar effect, not options, but two steps. The step 1 and the step 2. And the step 2 is made specially to use it with the tilcali together, because then you have the very centered, the main picture is very centered. When it stands here, the center goes in the corner down here. It's also nice for some things, if you like. What do you like to do? Then we turn it off, that one, and the last is an only tiling effects. You see here a lot of tiles, and you can play also here by the axis of the tiles. Okay? This is the main effects for the foreground and the backgrounds. I turn it off all